Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I'm the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com for your Friday. It's the 31st day of October, Halloween Friday, and it looks like our weather situation is improving across the Northeast. Many places between 1.5 inches and 3 inches of rainfall. The heavy rains that moved into eastern PA, Maryland, New Jersey, New York, Long Island, and even into central and southern New England. As this storm continues to move away from the area, we're going to get into improving weather today. Skies becoming partly sunny in most places. It'll be windy, though. West winds at 10 to 20, gusting to 45, so a wind advisory is in effect for many places. On your Friday, temperatures will range in the middle to upper 50s. It'll be clear at night, down to about 40 to 45. In the 30s across the Poconos, the Catskills, and the Finger Lakes of New York, and even into central PA. Southern portions of Pennsylvania down by the West Virginia, and the Maryland down by Hagerstown on I-81. That's where you're going to have temperatures very close to the frost mark towards daybreak on Saturday morning, but Friday nighttime lows for the most part around 41. Saturday's looking mostly sunny, 58 for a high, also about 55 to 60, lower 60s in some of the warmer spots on Sunday. Looks like good weather for the first couple of days of the month of November. Monday, partial sun, but maybe some showers at night, with the next cold front basically dry right into the middle of next week. Now, if you're flying today, at least as far as the weather's concerned, there's a lot of delays, a lot of cancellations because of the continued budget problems. And, well, at this point, it looks like the weather is not going to be a major factor across the Northeast, except for the fact that those strong west-northwest winds, when you're dealing with LaGuardia, JFK, and Newark, it always causes tremendous problems, and even more delays are expected for Friday afternoon, Friday evening with those strong winds in the New York area. Up around Boston, similar situation. The rains are now moving away from the area quickly, but the gusty northwest flow will continue there, and that will make for some isolated delays or cancellations because of the strong winds up in the Boston area. Of course, aside from the fact that they have cancellations due to the budget problems by the federal government. As you look further to the south, it looks like good weather in D.C., Richmond, and Raleigh. Also looking at dry conditions at Charlotte and in the Atlanta area. No problems expected for there. And in the Midwest, high pressure building across Ohio and into Illinois. That means good weather for Chicago, a few showers. Otherwise, clearing in Minneapolis, St. Paul. Dry weather for at least Southern California. Clouding up in the Pacific Northwest. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I'm the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. It's going to be windy. Wind advisories in effect in many spots. Temperatures in the 50s and very nice weather as we head into this upcoming weekend. Enjoy your Halloween. Talk to you first thing tomorrow. Take care.